Welcome to Top Crypto. Today we'll be doing a tutorial of Kraken exchange. This is a cryptocurrency exchange that is quite popular for trading and exchanging cryptocurrencies. I'll show you all the different features, how to create and set up an account, and start buying cryptocurrencies. Before I get started, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just for information and education purposes only, so let's dive into it. So here is the website homepage, and just a quick reminder that all the links that we'll be showing you in this video will be in the description down below, so make sure to go check them out over there. And right on their homepage, they outline that they have over 65 plus cryptocurrencies, and you can get started right with just $10. They have everything you need to help you get started if you're a beginner, if you want to take your investments to the next level, if your exchange doesn't have the exact cryptocurrencies that you need, or if you actually have a firm and you're looking to get a crypto solution. This platform is also 100% safe and secure to use, and they also have 24/7 support over live chat. Before we dive into some of the features of the Kraken exchange, let's actually go ahead and create an account to get you guys set up. So here's the first step, quite simple. Just put in your information, email, set a password or your username, say what country and province you're in, and then you can create your account. Next, you should have gotten an activation code in your email, so go ahead and go check your email inbox and then put that code into this activation code box. So once you confirm your email and create an account, it'll get you to log back in and you'll get prompted this page and have an account. So from here on, you want to go ahead, you can buy and sell and convert, and before you do that, they'll ask you to actually verify your identity. So it's just a few personal identification steps that you'll need to put in, and then you'll have access to buy, sell, and convert different cryptocurrencies. Now let's go through some of the features of the platform itself. Here's some of the features for the essentials for your beginning trader. You just signed up for Kraken and you want to get started with cryptocurrency investments. So Kraken actually has a world-class team of security experts that work around the clock to cover every possible vector of attack, so your cryptocurrency investments and identity stay protected at all times. They have minimal fees as low as 0%, so their competitive investor-friendly fee structure rewards you the more you trade. It's very easy to buy and sell assets in just a few clicks. So they have a high liquidity exchange, which makes sure that your trade orders are executed really quickly and on point with what price you want. That is 24/7 support for all your different questions and needs. And they also have some great funding options, leading the industry in fiat and crypto funding options with very low processing times. Now, those are some of their main essential features. You guys can click on the learn about sections of each of these on their website. Remember, links are all down below to learn a little more in depth about each of these features, but these were essentially the essential ones. Now, these are the actual ones for your next level traders who are a little more advanced and looking to seek some more knowledge. Now, they have spot trading on margin, where you can use margin to trade up to 5 times of leverage. You also have the option to trade futures, hedging your spot trades with cryptocurrency futures and maximizing returns with up to 50 times of leverage. There's options to have personalized over-the-counter service, allowing you to execute large trades without disrupting the market with personalized service from the Kraken trade desk. They have real-time reference date indices, which allow the most accurate cryptocurrency benchmark pricing and aggregate pricing for multiple cryptocurrencies. Actually, for the few of you who are a little more advanced and want that catering, tailored financial advice and service, Kraken has account management service as well. They offer that extra layer of dedication of one-on-one support for their more advanced clients. So overall, this is a crypto exchange that meets all your needs and has a ton of features, from beginner features to advanced. Now here is the pricing section where you'll see all the different cryptocurrencies laid out for you. As we can see, there's a large list of cryptocurrencies over here, so a ton of options for you guys to choose from. So where you can get cryptocurrency prices for 145 total assets right here. So as you can see, the price, how it's going right now, the 24% fluctuation right now that's going on, the market cap. So if we click on Ethereum, for example, we see over here that there is a chart growth of the pattern that's going on right now. You can choose from the last hour, the last day, the last week, month, year, and so on. So currently the price is 3,200. It gives you the percentage that it's been going up for the past month in this example. Over here will show you a little description about the cryptocurrency to get you a little familiar about the background and how it works and what it's about, as well as some Kraken tools relating to it, some advanced tools, and some other popular assets that you can take a look at. Now, this is the very simple beginner's view of the prices for all these cryptocurrencies, but you can actually go to the advanced markets view, and this will take you to a little more advanced view of things and how they are going for these cryptocurrencies. So taking a look at Ethereum again, these are some more advanced charts and some trading opportunities that you can have over here. So great opportunity for those of you who who are advanced traders who are wanting to get into Kraken, learn how the markets are working, and start making those trading orders. Now, one of the coolest things about the Kraken exchange platform is they have a whole section about learning about cryptocurrencies, their whole platform, how to use it, helping you gain knowledge in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. For example, they have some cool resources over here for understanding Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, as well as some editor's choice, different articles that you guys can take a look at for simple basic questions for beginners to even some advanced who just want to brush up on these topics. It's great to see that they cover the fundamentals for learning cryptocurrencies right from the start, so you guys, even if you are new to the space, can definitely start learning from the get-go. Here's an example of one of the links, say Ethereum versus Bitcoin, a very common question, and this just explains a little bit about that topic. Some more basic information about the top 5 most popular cryptocurrencies over here. You guys can quickly learn about them, easy to use, easy terminology that you guys can find in these articles, and a little price chart action over here as well as price details, learning more about these cryptocurrencies as individuals. So Crypto 101 over here is actually the basics of cryptocurrency with their video series of all you need to know from the beginners, from the basics of how do I get Bitcoin, why is the Bitcoin's price so volatile, what if you lose Bitcoin, and a ton more videos over here which will help you learn in a video style format. Security is also a common question and concern for many beginners, so they also have a ton of crypto security guides with videos as well for Kraken security, two-factor authentication, crypto, and your own mobile phone. A ton of information for you guys to learn and understand about the security aspect of things. Here's also some Kraken webinars that they actually host for more deeper dives, informational topics about cryptocurrencies over here. And these are actually webinars with actual live instructors that you guys can learn from, ask questions back and forth, and kind of a whole great environment of a class to actually get involved in. This is a very popular platform that a lot of people use. They have a very easy setup to start buying and selling cryptocurrencies and have a ton of growth and learning opportunities for your cryptocurrency journey. Remember, all links that we covered in this video are going to be in the description below, so make sure to check them out over there. Thanks again for watching the video. Make sure to like the video, leave any comments down below of questions you might have any of these topics. Subscribe to the Top Crypto channel so we can keep on bringing you some awesome content to help you on your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.